The Texas Department of Transportation receives information regarding operation, construction, and testing records from several independent systems. Working with the Center for Transportation Research, TxDOT organized these technology databases to better understand the impact of certain materials on the long-term performance of pavements.
TxDOT have been collecting data on materials and construction projects and pavement performance over several years. So they have all the data in separate databases that do not communicate with each other.
And so before this project, we never really combined the two. You know, you go to a roadway and you say, man, that's a really good roadway. What made it good? Right? You just assume it was you did everything right during construction. So this project was to combine those two databases so we can see the materials used, we can see the QCQA, did we do everything right, and then what did that lead to in terms of overall performance.
We created two separate applications, one for the state use and one for the district use. And each application has 9 dashboards to track project and material performance at different levels. And during the making of the application, we sought feedback from TxDOT asking how they intended to use it and their specific needs. And we also created text guide and a video guide to show them how to operate and manage the application.
In the project, as we would go to these projects, trying to combine them, right? We combined them and we say, okay, let's go get some real eyes on the pavement and let's see if the database is you know, in agreement with what we're seeing. And what we would find is we'd go to a project and it was already covered with a seal coat. And so what we found out was districts have these 4-year plans and they're doing district-wide seal coat programs, and that is not being captured in either one of those databases. What the research team did is they actually pulled in another database so they can filter out those ones that have had TxDOT preventative maintenance on there. Now we have this all-encompassing database that has everything together. It's turned into a really nice Tableau dashboard, so you can actually go in and say, hey, I want to look in this district with a given mix type, and you want to see a performance across the district.
So TxDOT can use this application to track project or materials performance in near real time. So on a geographical map on the application, they can locate projects on a given section and see how many projects were constructed, what materials were put in those projects, and how much money was spent. They can also see if there was any maintenance activity involved. They can also use this application as an investigative tool, as in they can track the historical performance of any projects and materials and flag any section with unsatisfactory performance. So by doing so, TxDOT can identify durable materials and they can promote use of those materials more in future projects, and there will be less maintenance, there will be less traffic congestion due to maintenance and construction, and there will be less delay in travel time with overall better driving experience for the people of Texas.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.